fade, sort of. Remember to start low on the C cup or arches, just to keep it as dark as possible. Creating that first guideline. This is pretty much what determines the shape of your fade, so take your time. It doesn't have to be perfect, but take your time. We'll go right away with our shaver, bogging. Use the corner as you get closer to the line. Next step would be our 1.5 open. Now this is just to kind of debulk and blend in a little bit into that weight that I have.
Are you ready to take your barbering journey to the next level? Subscribe to my barber channel today and unlock a world of inspiration, education, and growth in the art of barbering.
Then I make my second guideline with a no guard level open. Now we're going to go with our half.
The video you are currently watching, that's thumbnail, has an amazing content with cool and new tips being taught in it. Be sure to check out this video through the link provided at the top of the page or the link pinned in the comments.
Keep flicking into that weight, light pressure, just the corner if possible. We're gonna go back to our half, or 1.5. Open. Close it. Now in this area, you can kind of see the dark spots. We're gonna go with our 1. That's the only one that we have left to use. Now we're gonna go on with our trimmer. Flip this line out.
At Gmail? 1B Barber. Oh no, it's not. Just find your barber at Gmail.
No lever. I mean, no guard. Close lever.
I think all workers like that, right? All laborers?
And just detail with your half. Last step is to remove this weight. I like to use my comb and trimmer. And the goal is to find a disconnection, so like around here, and then use the comb as another like guard to create the shape. If you do shear work first, you don't have to do this, but always make sure to check the natural growth pattern.
Did you text about the subject yet?
That's where we're gonna start. This is where we're gonna end. You can already picture it.
Rojo's. Brunch candy bar. Hey, you like